Welcome back to my channel. Today's idiom is up in the air. Meaning is undecided or uncertain actions that will happen in the future uncertainly. To let know about it, we use often idiom that is up in the air. And example of this idiom is we have been planning for going outside with our children, but our plans still up in the air. Second one example, I am not married, I'm planning to marry, but our marriage planning is just up in the air. I'm thinking to get coaching of public speaking, but still that plan is up in the air. And you people, let me know what is your plan still up in the air. That means which is not yet decided and uncertain in your life.